Today at Riverside County Indian Motorcycles, we have a brand new 2023 Indian Chief Sport. Full LEDs front and rear, dual disc Brembos in the front with inverted suspension, 19-inch front wheel, powered by a powerful 116 motor. It's making 120 torque. A new Syndicate style seat, Fox piggyback suspension, 6-inch risers, drag bars, of course that beautiful digital display. This bike is currently sporting at 6.2 miles, ready to go here at Riverside County Indian Motorcycles. Give us a call at 951-460-4222 and ask for Lorenzo or Lenny.